DeepSeek, a Chinese AI company, has sparked a heated debate following the reveal of its R1 AI model, with skepticism over its claims and concerns about using US banned chips. The company says its breakthrough was achieved using mature NVIDIA GPUs, like the H800 and A100, which are less advanced than the banned H100 chips. However, Scale AI CEO Alexander Wang suggested DeepSeek used the restricted chips, a claim the company denies. NVIDIA has confirmed that DeepSeek's GPUs were export compliant. While industry experts acknowledge the impressive nature of DeepSeek's technology, opinions are divided. Some, like US entrepreneur Palmer Luckey, argue that DeepSeek's $5 million valuation is inflated and fueled by a Chinese hedge fund aiming to undermine US AI companies. Sina Rajal from Netmind sees no reason to doubt DeepSeek, praising its efficiency and sensible approach. On the other hand, billionaire investor Vinod Khosla and OpenAI have raised concerns that DeepSeek's models might not be entirely original. Khosla believes the technology mirrors mistakes made by another company, O1, hinting that DeepSeek may have copied the work. OpenAI is investigating whether DeepSeek improperly used its model's output data for development. Despite the controversy, AI experts agree that DeepSeek's success is a win for open-source AI. Meta's Yann LeCun highlighted that the true takeaway is not that China is surpassing the US, but that open-source models like Llama and PyTorch are outpacing proprietary ones. For LeCun, DeepSeek's achievement is an example of how open research can benefit everyone in the field. While the debate continues, it's clear that DeepSeek's success marks a significant moment in the AI industry, one that raises questions about the future of global competition and the role of open-source innovation.